Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I'm Maahek and that's Praveen Nair, and today we are going to be doing crispy tofu bites for you.
Alright, this recipe is going to be a really kick-ass option for all those vegans and vegetarians because that's got some really good amount of amino acids coming into place. So let's go and have a look.
1 cup tofu diced into pieces. So I'm using tofu from the company called as SweatFit, pink salt. 1 cup almond flour, little almond milk, lastly black and white sesame seeds. First you're going to take half a teaspoon of pink salt and put it in the almond flour. Now evenly mix the flour. Now we're going to coat each and every piece of tofu with the almond flour. For the second coat, now we're going to dip it into the almond milk and coat it once again. So dip it into the almond milk and coat it slightly. Now the last coat, now we're going to dip it once again into the almond milk. If your tofu is already slightly wet, do not dip it into the milk. So we're going to just coat it with black and white sesame seeds. Now we're going to put the tofu in the air fryer. If you do not have an air fryer, you're going to shallow fry the same on a pan with a really less amount of oil. Bake or grill the same in the air fryer for the next 10 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And our delicious crispy tofu is ready. So our crunchy, crispy tofu bites are ready. This is an all-time snacks, guys. Anytime in the evening, for parties, any occasion, this is an apt food.
So it gets you some really good amount of protein, if you consider yourself as a vegetarian or a vegan. So there are very limited options that comes in place. But the soya beans are like really great options. There are some myths about it boosts or it increases the level of estrogen. We'll dig deep into it in another video and get you guys all the information about the truth.
So for now, it's high in protein, it's low in calories, and it's delicious. So 3 reasons for you to have it.
Yeah. So all you have to do is that go out there, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon that you always get to know about our new videos. And we've got about 6 videos in a week. That's about recipes, information, train to look at programs. So you've got all those things that you need to get fit. Please do share the channel with friends and family and let them also get fit. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you.